Hey guys, just found out that they're having the first annual Grundy, Virginia bike night. So I'm going to go down there and check it out today. I decided to stay overnight, do a little bit of camping in the breaks tonight. There you can see my bike loaded down with my camping equipment. Hang on, I'll show y'all just what I got on there. Okay, so got my sleeping bag and my pillow there. Gotta have that. This right here is what I use for my tent. It's just a canvas tarp with a blanket inside. I stretch that off the bike and make a bivvy. I'll show you that when I set up camp tonight. And there's my bag that's got all my clothes and stuff in it. And of course my air mattress. I shined the bike up today, made it look all nice and pretty. So let's get on the road. I'm going to head down to Mineshaft Harley-Davidson in Pikeville. They're doing a group ride out of there today to go to the bike night. So I'm going to ride down there, meet up with them, and head out with them. And then do my own thing for the rest of the night. So I'll see you guys shortly. Good morning. First of all, let me say that. Bike night Grundy last night. It was alright. It wasn't the best bike night in the world, but it was alright. Especially for it to be their first one. Came over to the Breaks Park last night and decided to camp out. Good night, except for around about 6-ish, 6:30-ish. Started raining and I got soaked. I've got all my clothes hanging up, trying to dry all my bedclothes and everything. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee and see what I can salvage out of all this gear and get on the road to go back home. I'll see y'all then. Okay, so I don't know if I mentioned it earlier or not, but sometimes when you go camping, things happen. Sometimes you run into wildlife, sometimes your food gets stolen, sometimes your food goes bad, sometimes you get caught in the rain. That's what happened to me today. I got caught in the rain. It was about 6 o'clock this morning. Thought it was just going to be a nice little summer, spring shower, whatever, but it turned into a downpour. And everything I had got wet. My sleeping bag, my mattress, my ground cloth, and especially the tarp that I use as a tent. And just for future reference to y'all, a drop cloth, a painter's drop cloth, is not at all waterproof. At all. So, it's about 11 o'clock. I've been up since 6. I That's about when the rain hit. I got out of the tent. Well, I put my old soggy wet pants and clothes back on and went and took a shower. Got cleaned up, put everything out to dry, and it's just about dry. So I'm going to be leaving here in a little bit. I guess a little review on the Breaks Park. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. This is another one of those right in your backyard, but you never really go and fool with it type things. Breaks is one of, I think, 2 parks in the United States that are considered interstate parks. This one is in Kentucky and Virginia both. They call it the Grand Canyon of the South. Mostly because of the canyons and the rivers and stuff like that through here. The campgrounds are great. Campgrounds are real nice, real clean, very well maintained. The bathhouses are real nice too. They actually have hot water. Yes, they actually have hot water for you to take a hot shower in the morning. The last campground I stayed at did not have that. It was so cold. Probably the coldest shower I've ever took in my life. But this one had nice warm running water, real nice sinks, real nice toilets. The showers, fantastic. The showers were rock and I guess you'd call it mortar, rock and mortar showers. Everything was real well maintained, real good kept. For some reason, there isn't many people up here camping right now. So I've had the entire area here to myself. All these places you see here are campground or camp spots. That camper down there, I believe that is a year-round parking thing. I don't know. They park it there year-round, but there wasn't anybody in it last night, so I had this whole place to myself, and it was wonderful. Besides the rain, it was a really, really wonderful time. All kinds of wildlife up through here. A lot of deer, a lot of squirrels. That's one thing that you do need to be on the lookout for if you come this way. Watch out for the squirrels and the deer because they are all over the place. I came in about 10 o'clock last night. I came in from the bike night down in Grundy. It's probably about a 15-20 minute drive from Grundy. About the same from Elkhorn City. And Elkhorn City is about 30 minutes from Pikeville. But yeah, just be mindful of the wildlife up through here. You really don't want to hit one because medical services out here are almost non-existent as far as ambulances or anything like that. I think the closest hospital is close to 30 minutes away. I'm not real sure. When you get into the park, obey the speed limits. For definite, obey the speed limits, because if you don't, you will get pulled over and issued a citation. They are very strict on that. But that's a good thing in my opinion. Keeps people from acting stupid out through here. There is no alcohol allowed in the park at all. It is no alcohol. Not sure about firearms. I don't think I saw a sign about firearms, but for sure, no alcohol. Everybody's real friendly. They'll help you in any way they can. Yeah, hitting the vape. For anybody interested, this is a Smock V8 baby stick. and I am vaping a juice called Krispies. Supposed to taste like Rice Krispies, and it does. It's pretty good. But yeah, I mean, this place is great. This is a ride that anybody could do. The roads aren't too horribly bad until you get into right near the Virginia line for Kentucky-Virginia line on 460. I think no, it's not 460. It's another highway route number, but I can't think of it right off. You'll be able to find it easy. Just follow the signs. But yeah, those are pretty twisty. They're fun to ride. They're real fun to ride, and if you keep your head about you and obey the speed limits and just be aware, you'll be fine. I'd recommend this for just about anybody. But I'm going to sign off. I've got all my stuff dried out. I'm going to pack it up and get back on the bike and make the ride home. So until next time, see y'all later. Guys, one thing I did forget to mention, just like any other place that you camp or any other outdoor facility, I guess you could call it, if you pack it in, pack it out. Don't throw cans and stuff like that in the fire ring expecting it to burn, and it just looks nasty. Just not a good thing to do. But just make sure that if you pack it in, you pack it out. And above all, have fun. So, see you next time. Well, guys, gear's dry, bike's packed, so I'm out of here until next time. Gonna be a couple of weeks before I post anything. I've got some obligations I have to take care of before I can do anything like that. But I'll get y'all some pictures taken out of here and show you just how beautiful this park really is. Here's a few quick shots of the bike when it's loaded up and ready to go.